Jacob Burton here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate my favorite way to roast a whole chicken on a barbecue grill using our trusty Weber Kettle, but you can really use any barbecue grill you have available to you. So we're going to start by lighting a wax cube and getting a full chimney of charcoal going. And while our chimney of charcoal is getting up to temp, it's going to take about 15 minutes for this to ash over. We're going to head on into the kitchen and we're going to prepare our chicken. Now, the spatchcocking method refers specifically to removing the backbone in your poultry so that it lays flat and cooks more evenly and crisps all the skin. So here I'm slicing out the backbone using a sharp chef's knife, the Nagomi Japanese knife, and just by cutting down along both sides of the backbone, you're easily able to remove it. Now here, you can also use kitchen shears as I demonstrate in other videos. Once you have the backbone removed, you're going to spread out the chicken, and notice how I'm pressing down on the breastbone. That breaks the breastbone and allows it to lay flat, tucking the wingtips back. Now, an optional step is to pour some boiling water over the chicken skin, and notice how the chicken skin tightens up as soon as that boiling water hits it. What that is doing is it's dissolving the collagen in the chicken skin, which is going to allow the skin to crisp more easily when we cook it. I'm going to pour off the water, and then I'm going to season with my favorite barbecue rub. This can be as simple as salt and pepper. Here I'm using a brown sugar rub by Kinder. But obviously, this is your chicken. You're the one that's going to be eating it, so feel free to rub it down with whatever you like. One word of caution is if you are a crispy skin fan, which who isn't, don't rub it with any sauce or oil or the skin won't crisp properly. Now, once your coals are glowing red and ashed over, you're going to contain them on either side of the Weber Kettle. And here I am using just some normal red bricks that you would get at your local home improvement store. And having the fire contained on both sides is going to allow me to create a really hot environment and minimize flare-ups. Now, because we're roasting this chicken, we want our grill temp to be at least 375, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm adding more charcoal on top and letting that burn down a little bit to ensure a really hot environment. On top of that charcoal, I'm placing pecan wood chunks, but you can use whatever your favorite wood is. And then grill grate goes right on top. Cover with a lid for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the smoke a chance to get going, allow the coals to come up to temperature, and then you're going to place the spatchcocked chicken still on that rack directly in between the two fires in the middle of your Weber Kettle. Add some water to the bottom of the pan. This is going to help keep the juices from scorching during the cooking process and also steam the chicken from the bottom, helping to even out the cooking and keeping it moist. Place a lid on top, and about an hour and a half later, depending upon grill temp, voila! If the skin is dark brown and crispy just like this, and the internal temperature is reading about 160 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit when you pull it, you are done, ready to slice and serve. Now, the slicing part is very easy. You want to let this rest for about 15 minutes first, and then just run your knife right in between the leg and the breast portion of the chicken, detaching the hind quarter. Now take your knife and slice straight down the center of the breastbone. If your knife is sharp and you give a little bit of pressure, it shouldn't be an issue. And then you're going to cross cut through the breastbone again to yield 4 portions of your 2 total breasts. Finish by detaching the thigh from the leg bone just by running your knife between the leg and thigh joint. Arrange on a serving platter, garnish if you like, and serve. Slightly smoky, crispy skin, juicy interior. I mean, come on, what's there not to like? And speaking of like, if you like this video, give that there like button a clickaroo, hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends, and I will see you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.